Hello and welcome. Quick demonstration of the Rythflo Lavalier Mic. Is this one of the best noise canceling lavalier mics that you can have? Probably. I already tested it, so I'm excited and I know exactly what I'm gonna get, but you don't know, so I'm about to show you. So Rythflo connects via transmitter here, and there is the actual lavalier mic. It's got 3 lights that are gonna come on, but you want the first one on to means that it's paired to the phone, and then the middle one is the noise canceling one. And right now for demonstration, I got the fan going, so I shut it off. Okay, so there it is turned off. But I want you to hear, so if you're making videos and content in a house that's very noisy, air conditioner, refrigerator, noise outside, all kinds of things going on, and you want to just capture very good audio, this is the way to go. So there's noise coming from the outside. There's the ambient room reverb, so a lot of things that are messing up the audio so you can hear is probably not the best. Let's connect the lavalier mic and you're about to be surprised. Let's check it out. So here it is. As you can hear, all the ambient noise is gone. The room reverb is gone. The fan is still on just the same way. I didn't do anything. As a matter of fact, if I turn it off, see, I turn it off and I'm going to turn it back on. Fan is on. I know it's hard to believe because you don't hear anything but my voice. There's noise outside and you don't even hear that. I think this is great. See how the lights are blue, they're lit up, and yeah, you want to try out Rythflo if you're making videos in loud environments in your apartment, your condo, and there's so much noise. Maybe there's construction, airplanes, all kinds of stuff going on. Then you want to give this a shot. This is Rythflo Lavalier Mic. I think it's awesome, and it's just amazing that all the noise has been canceled out, but then your voice is still captured nice and clear. All right, give it a try.